So hey guys, today I'm probably getting a puppy. I'm so excited. I'm not gonna tell you his name until I'm with Vinny, but Vinny's working and I have a few things I have to do today. Last minute things to get him. It is a boy, I'll tell you that much. But me and Vinny are so excited. We have a 3.5 hour drive though. Not the best. And there's my Molly girl. But yeah, so we got all of his stuff last night. I didn't record that. Just because it was kind of overwhelming. It's our first dog together. And we're really excited. Can you pause that? We're on our way now to go get our pal. Hopefully get our pal. It's taking us literally through the country, which is kind of weird, but it's okay. We have a whopping 3-hour car ride. I still haven't told them what the name of our puppy is. I don't.
You haven't?
No.
Can I say it?
You want to say it right now? Or you want to wait until we get?
No, let's wait till we get on.
Yeah. Anyway. Oh, it's really pretty. But we're how many minutes away? 45 minutes away after that 3.5 hour drive. Vinny's getting tired and hungry, and he definitely needs a Red Bull or something. I think downstairs, I think.
Oh, hi. Hi, handsome. What are you doing? You're so cute with your big ears. With your big ears. Oh, hi.
Oh, he just loves you.
Hi. Hi. Oh, he's so cute. Yeah, see, he's got the waves. Hello. Oh my god, he's so cute. Hello, handsome. Hi. Oh my god, I just want to bite your ears. You could play peekaboo. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Hi.
Hi.
It's not the same time as Molly. Molly's a little stubbier.
Let me go get Nardo.
Okay, so it's Finnegan's first night home, and he's not home. He's at my mom's house, because we're just staying here for the night. But it's Finnegan's first night away from his brothers and his sisters, so I think he'll be okay. He had a really good drive home. It was a long drive, but I think he'll be okay. He has his toys and his bed and everything, and yeah, so I think he's gonna be fine, and I don't even think he's gonna worry about it. But he's in my mom's room because I have a dog in my room and I don't want to upset that dog. My brother has a dog in his room, and then Vinny's sleeping in the living room. So everywhere there's dogs. So okay, turn that off. So
We're going to Sonic.
shut up, that has nothing to do with our volume. So we've had Finnegan for about a week now. Oh yeah, I don't think we ever told him his name.
Oh yeah, his name is Finnegan. Isn't that where the vlog left off?
No.
He hasn't even been in the vlog yet.
Yeah, I put him in, I think. Well. Oh, he's upset.
Oh, he's whining.
But we've had him for almost a week.
And you're already.
He's been a very good.
He just needs to get potty trained.
He's potty trained at my house, not at his though, because he doesn't have patience.
No, that has nothing to do with it.
It does, because you'd stay out there for an hour until he shit if that was the case. You're out there for 5 minutes and he wants to go inside and you let him inside, you dummy.
I don't.
Anyway. we're gonna be going to Sonic soon, so we're gonna take him with us because he's like our child and we have to take him everywhere. So you need to shave.
Oh.
You greasy bald man. All right, so Finnegan is on his first hike. Come on, Finny. We've had him for an exact week now, and he's doing pretty good. He's learning. He's a good baby.
He's like perfect on the leash now.
Yeah, pretty good. All right. So this is what we're doing, and we'll update you at some point.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
So Finn just dug up
Shut up.
the corpses of a woman named Martha.
No.
He's chewing on her hind leg right now.
Finny, they were buried in the 1800s.
Humans don't have hind legs; they just have 2 legs.
We ended our hike. Mr. Finn did such a good job, right, buddy? Oh, he's tired.
We're only halfway done.
Oh, he's digging. Uh-oh, he's digging.
No.
We're at a cemetery. That was like the end of the hike. Like it's at a cemetery from like a million years ago. Not actually. But yeah, so we're gonna go back.
Just smell something.
Not sure what he's digging for. I really hope there's not like a misplaced body. Watch our dog find it. You're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. Alright, so I think we're gonna head back, and we got a few things to do. Probably end up getting a little bit of lunch or something. Yeah, I think we're gonna stop really quick and give the dog water and give him a treat because he did a good job. So